Friends, welcome to my channel Cubing Lab, and today this is third part of this video. So in first part I have solved these centerpieces, and in second part I solved these edges, and now today in third and last part I will arrange these centerpiece by matching color scheme, and also in this part I will show that how we can solve this cube in proper cubing shape. I mean how we can bandage this 6x6 master Morphix Rubik's cube. So now I will scramble this cube and then I will show that how we can solve this cube in proper cubing shape, same like this 3x3 master Morphix Rubik's cube. So now I will scramble this cube. Okay, so I have scrambled this cube, and now we can see in this condition our centerpieces are solved and also our edges are solved. So now we will solve this cube in proper cubing shape. So we will use same like this simple 3x3 master Morphix Rubik's cube trick. I mean these are our centers and these three color pieces are our corners, these are our edges. So in this cube first we will arrange our centers in proper position. So if I hold it cube like that, so this is our blue and red center. First we will find our blue and red corner. So this is our blue and red corner. First we will match this corner with these two color. We will apply R prime, D prime, RD, and we will match our this corner piece in proper position. Okay, so now we can see this blue is matching from this position but red is not matching. It means this is our opposite side piece. So we will fix this piece on this position. So we will find any other blue and red piece. Now we will fix this piece R prime, D prime, RD. Okay, so now we can see we have fixed our this piece properly. So this blue is matching with this blue corner, this red is matching with this red, and in front side we have green color. It means we will fix three green color in this position. So in this center we have available green, we will just rotate like that. In this side we will also find green, and also in this side we will fix green. Okay, so in this side we need green color, and in this center we have green color available. So we will replace this center with this center. So how we can replace? First we will bring these two layer like that, and then we will apply U, and now we will bring this layer back. So our off center we have replaced. Now we will bring this off center on this position, then rotate this complete layer and bring it back. So we have exchanged our these two centers. So this is our green, we will just match on this position. So this is done, this is also done. In this position we have also need green color. So this is our green color center. So we will replace this center with this. So we will apply same method. First we will bring these two layer, then we will place these two layer in this side and bring this layer back, and now we will bring these two layer on this side and rotate this side and bring it back. So we have also replaced these two center. We will just rotate like that. Okay, so now we have fixed all three green color on this position. So this side we have done. Now we will solve its opposite side. Okay, so this is our opposite side. In this side we can see this red is matching with this red, blue is matching with this blue, and in front side we have yellow color. It means we need three yellow center on this position. So if I rotate this yellow, so this is done. There is also yellow available, just rotate like that. And in this side we will also need yellow. So okay, in this center we have yellow available. And now we can see if I replace these two centers, so second color is green. When we replace these two centers, so our this green will remain fixed on its proper position. So we can replace these two center because we need yellow on this side. So just bring these two there, then rotate this complete portion and bring it back. Similar, rotate these two layer, rotate and bring it back. And also we have done these yellow. So in this side we have solved, and its opposite side we have solved these three green colors. So this center we have solved. Now we will check our cube from any other center. For example, if I check from this position, so this is red, this is green. Okay, in this side we can see red, green, and third color we have yellow. It's mean if I fix this corner on this position, first I will fix this corner properly. So this red is matching with this red, but in this side we need green, so green is not matching. It means this is our opposite side center, corner. So we will find our second red and green. Okay, so this is our second red and green corner, and third color we have blue. It's mean in these three position we need blue color. So in this center we have available blue, so this is okay. We replace this center with any other blue center piece, so we can replace these two. So apply same method. First we will bring this off portion, then rotate, and now we will bring this remaining off portion and rotate like that and bring it back. So this is blue, this is also blue. We will replace this center with any blue center. So this is our blue center, we will replace these two. So we will apply same method. First we will rotate our off portion, then remaining off portion we will bring it down and then rotate. So this is done. So we have solved our three blue colors. So red, green, and blue. Now we will rotate its opposite side. So green, red, and we will find in this position our ideal color. So this is our corner. We can see blue, red, and we have third color yellow. It means we will solve three yellow on this position. So this is our yellow, this is also yellow. These two are done. In this side we will find yellow color. Okay, so we will replace these two center because there is blue, so this blue will remain solved. Rotate, bring it down, then rotate and bring it back, and also we will bring it down, rotate and bring it back. Okay, so we have also done our yellow color. So this center we have solved. Okay, now we will check our cube from any other color. If I check from this position, so this is red and yellow, and in the front side we have green. So red, yellow, and green. It means this is also solved. We will check its opposite side. This is red, this is yellow, this is red, and in front side we have blue. So we will find our second color. Okay, now we can see yellow, red, and blue. So this center is also fixed. It means we have solved our all center on its proper position. We can check from any other side. If I check from this color, so yellow, blue, green, yellow, blue, green. This is also done. We check its opposite side, yellow, blue, yellow, red, blue, sorry, this corner we will fix on this side, so we will check our second color, so blue, yellow and red. Okay, so this is blue, yellow and red. So we have placed our all centers properly. Now our next step, we will solve these portions and we will create one cross same like this 3 by 3 master morphics. I mean this is our cross. So we will solve these portions. I mean in this side we can fix blue, so we have no any blue edge piece on this side, so we will leave this, and in this side we need blue edge piece, so this is our blue edge piece, so we will fix this blue on this side. So place this edge piece on this position, then bring up, place blue on this side and bring it down. So we will apply our same method and we will find one complete cross. For example, in this side we need green, so there is no green edge, so we will leave it. Okay, so this green edge piece we can fix on this position, bring it up, fix green and bring it down. This is also done. This green we can fix on this position, so simply bring it up, fix this green and bring it down. And also we will rematch our these centers, I mean we will rematch our these colors. So we can see in every side our three colors are same, so we will rematch our centers. In this side we need red edge piece, so this is our red edge piece. We will place red edge piece on this position, then bring it up, match red on this side and bring it down, and also rematch our centers same like that. This is also done. So this red edge piece we can fix on this position, place red on this side, then bring it up, then rotate this red on this side and bring it down, and also we will check our center, so we will find any other possibility. Okay, so this yellow edge piece we will fix on this side, place yellow on this position, bring it up, match yellow with yellow and bring it down. We will find any other, so this green we will fix on this position same like that. This is also done. And we will find any other. Okay, so this is yellow edge piece we will fix on this position, bring it up, match yellow with yellow and bring it down, and also rematch our centers. So this is done. So this red we will fix on this position, up and bring it down, rematch our centers, and also we will find our cross. So we have no any cross, so we will continue our step and we will find any one cross. This blue we will fix on this position. So this is done, and also rematch our centers. So this is our red edge piece. We will fix this red edge piece on this position. Okay, so this is also done, and rematch our centers. So in this side we need yellow, so there is yellow edge piece, bring it up, match with this and bring it down. And now we can see we have created one cross. So this is our same like that. Okay, so we can see this is our center, this is also our center. There is red edge piece, there is red edge piece, there is also red, there is yellow and there is yellow, so we have create our cross same like that. So it's mean we will start our cube from this position. So this is our first layer. Now we will place our corners. So in this side we need red, yellow and green corner, red, yellow and green. So just apply r prime, d prime, r, d and fix our corner properly. So I am just applying r prime, d prime, r, d, same like simple 3 by 3 cube trick. So this is placed properly, and also we will rematch our centers, and now we will solve its opposite side, yellow, red and blue. Okay, so this is yellow, red and blue. First we will rotate like that, then apply r prime, d prime, r, d. So this is done, and rematch our centers. So now we can see we have almost solved our first layer. Now we will hold it cube like that, and we will solve same like this cube. In this side we need small red triangle piece. So this is our small triangle piece. This piece we need to fix on this position, so we will place this piece on this side, then bring this layer up and match this small piece on this position and bring it down. So this is done. In this side we need green edge piece, so this is our green edge piece. We can fix this green in this position, also we can fix this green, and also we can fix this green. So this is same like simple 3 by 3 second layer trick. If I select this green, so I will apply u, r, u prime, r prime, u prime, f prime, u and then f. So this is also done. There is small yellow, this is matching properly, but we will replace this piece. So we can replace with any one piece, same like that. Okay, so okay, now we will fix blue piece on this position. So this is our blue edge piece. We will apply same algorithm, u, r, u prime, r prime, u prime, f prime, u and then f. This is also done. So this is small red triangle. We will match this red edge piece with this small triangle. So place red edge piece on this position, bring it up. So this is fixed. Now we will take out of the way and bring this layer down. Now we will fix this complete portion on this side. So very simple, place this portion on this side, then bring it up and bring it down. So this is also done. Similar, in this side we will place small yellow triangle. So this is small triangle piece. We will bring it up and place this small piece on this side. Now we will match this small piece with this complete yellow edge piece. I mean we will replace this small blue piece and fix this yellow piece. So this is done. Now we will save in any other way and bring it down, and we will fix this complete portion on this side. So place on this side, bring it up, replace with this and bring it down. So we have almost solved our cube from this side, and we have left with this last layer. So in last layer, in my case, I have already solved this top layer cross, but I will scramble this cross and I will show that how we can solve this cross. So we have solved this portion and we have left with this last layer. So this is our center, and in last layer, our first step, we will solve our cross, same like when we solve this first layer cross. Okay, so in this condition we can see we have just available our centerpiece. There is no any edge piece we can see that is not matching on its proper position. So when we find this kind of situation, so we can hold it cube from any angle and apply algorithm R U R prime U R U2 R prime, and now we can see we have find our another kind of case. So this is our straight line condition. So these are same simple 3 by 3 Rubik's cube steps. When we solve our this last layer, so sometime we can find L shape, sometime we can find straight line, and sometime we can find complete cross. So this is our okay, so this is our straight line condition. So when we find this kind of situation, we will hold cube like that, and from this side we will, this is our front side. So if we can solve this small 3 by 3 mastermorphic, so this is same pattern. So this is our front side, F R U R prime U prime F prime, and once again we have straight line. So again hold it cube like that and apply same algorithm from this side, F R U R prime U prime F prime, and now we can see we have this kind of situation. Only one side is matching properly, all three edge pieces are not matching. So when we find this kind of situation, place this matching side in front and this is our right side, and we will apply algorithm R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So again we have same situation. Again we will apply algorithm from this side, R U R prime U R U2 R prime, and now we can see our cross is completed. So this step we have complete, and now our last step, we will place all four corners on its proper position. So when we solve this stage, so we can find different kind of situation. So this is our first situation. In this situation we can see our one corner is matching properly. So this small blue color triangle, this is our corner piece. So this is matching properly. We will place this matching corner on this position and we will solve our remaining three corners. So we will place this corner on this position. Okay, so that was our last layer and our one corner is matching properly. So we will place this matching corner on this side and we will apply algorithm U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime and then L, and now we can see this, that is our matching corner. So this is also done. We just rotate this corner. This is also done and this is also. So we just need to rotate this last corner. So place like that and just apply R prime D prime R D. R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. Okay, now we can see our this corner we have solved properly and this side we have destroyed. So we will just take out of the way and we will solve our this side by using this small triangle corner, because this is our fixed corner. We use this corner and we will apply a continue algorithm R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D, and we can see our all cube we have solved. And in last layer in this cube we can face different kind of parities. So in next video I will show every parity in this cube and how we can fix our parities, and also I will mention parity solution in my description link. Thank you. So this is our 6 by 6 master morphic Rubik's cube, and that was also my 6 by 6 master morphic Rubik's cube, and I have destroyed my this cube. Okay, so we can see this is our 6 by 6 cube, and I cannot bandage this cube, so I have ordered another 6 by 6 cube. Thank you.